Hello friends, it's Ransil's Kitchen. Today we will teach you how to make Goan pork roast. Enjoy! To make Goan roast pork, I have taken 2 kg of pork joint. To make Goan pork roast, you need masala paste, 1 tablespoon of black peppercorn, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of jeera cumin, 1 teaspoon of cloves, 3 cinnamon sticks, 3 red chilies whole, 20 grams of ginger, 10 garlic pods, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Grind all these spices to make pork roast masala paste. To marinate the masala, you need to poke the meat with fork. Add salt. Add half vinegar. Marinate pork meat with salt and vinegar. Let the pork marinate for 10 minutes. Grind the spices. Add spices in the mixer jar. Add rest of the vinegar. Add sugar. Masala paste for Goan pork roast is done. After marination for 10 minutes, add the masala paste. Chef Armando will show you how to make pork roast. Marinate it nicely with the masala paste. Let the pork marinate with masala for 1 hour. To make Goan pork roast, you need 6 onions, 10 red dry chilies whole, dice the onions, add oil, add onions, add the pork, add rest of the masala with water. Mix onion and pork. and let it cook on a low flame. Pork roast is getting cooked on a low flame. Nice flavor. Cut the chilies, dry chili into half. Add dry chilies. Mix the dry chilies with pork and onions. Add salt to taste. Turn the roast pork. Let it cook on a low flame. Let it cook for another 15 minutes. Roast pork is done. Remove the roast pork on a board to slice. Roast pork is nicely cooked. Let's cut the pork in slice. Nice juicy Goan roast pork. Roast pork gravy. Let it cook till it become thick. We have cut the roast pork in slice. The gravy is almost thick. Add sliced pork roast. Mix the pork roast with the gravy. Goan pork roast is nicely prepared.